friends, I'm Brooke from Start at Home, and if you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know it's very sporadic. I post here and there. I post for like 3 or 4 weeks, and then I just disappear. So I have a new idea, and I'm hoping that you will come along on this journey with me as well. So it's been 2 years ago, my husband and I, we built our house. We were the general contractors. We got to do a lot of the fun stuff, as to why I've done tons and tons of DIYs. But after 2 years, the DIYs are kind of calming down, and I wanted to share a different aspect with you guys, something else that I love, which is gadgets. I love trying new products, finding new items to either decorate with, organize my house, you know, kind of anything to make the house a home. And I've always said, if it doesn't have a spot, then it can't be here anymore. So my goal has been to find organization items that will help, but also that don't break the bank. So I hope you guys will join me as I start over yet again, hopefully this time for good. Start this YouTube journey on sharing with you guys some of my favorite products, not even projects. Look, I'm so used to saying products, some of my favorite products. And today it's all about kitchen gadgets. They are all from Amazon, and they're all very, very affordable. I'll give you guys my honest review, feedback, what I've loved. There's a few things I have not loved. So let's get going. First, I wanted to start with water bottle storage. I don't know about you guys, but we have tons of different water bottles. They don't stack very well together. They take up tons of space. I got lids everywhere. So I was on the hunt for some water bottle storage, and I came across these, and I really love them. So one of the awesome parts is that they stack. So you just stick them on here. You can stack them however high you want. 3 is what fits good in my pantry or on my shelf. And as you can see, like, they stay together good. It is a thick, like, durable plastic. I've had these for probably a year-ish, and they're still holding strong. They fit this is the 20-ounce Stanley. Nope, I lied. This is the 30-ounce Stanley my kids love. It does fit these really great in here. The blender bottles fit awesome in here as well, and you can leave the lids on. And then these little mugs that are my favorite also fit great in here. And so I just fill these up. However, I will say the thing that does not fit great in here are these kinds of mugs, or the bigger Stanleys with the handles. As you can see, does not work very well. But I like to stack these ones. And then I just found this lid storage. It's made out of bamboo, and I've really liked it. So the lids just slide in and out, super easy to use. Just pull them in and out. It's held different kinds, like this one. I don't know why that one's not going on. Oh, there we go. So I really loved this. I just put these on the shelf, stack them up, and it has helped so much to keep my water bottles nice and organized. Next, let's talk about storing your silverware, or in this case, your goldware. So this is probably my all-time favorite one, and the reason being is because it can fit just about any drawer. Both of these sides come out, so if you have a bigger drawer, you can open it all the way up. If you have a smaller drawer, or even an in-between drawer, these can slide in and out so that you get that really nice, good fit. And I love the black with the gold silverware. This does also come in bamboo and possibly one other color, but I will link everything for you below in the description. If you have a smaller drawer or a smaller kitchen and you just need to save space, this thing is awesome. So what you do is you can just slide your silverware down in here. Now at first, when I was doing this, I thought, Well, then I don't know what everything is, but right here down the side, spoon, fork, and just slide them in here. Huh, that's not working real great with big spoons, is it? Let's try smaller spoons. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's not great for big spoons. It is great for smaller spoon, regular size spoons. And that's 8. We got 8 in there. Slide those in there. Oh, yeah, that's great. Perfect. Knives are in there, and then there's just these 2, but you can stick whatever else you needed in there, but works great for space saving. Such a great option. All right, while we are talking utensils, let's talk about all of our cooking utensils. If you get a nice, cute jar or pot like this one that I got this off of Amazon, I'll link everything for you. You know, it can be decorative. I just use it back here to hold up my cookbooks so it can sit out on the counter and look great. And then I just buy a matching set so that I can just stick them all in here and it looks really nice. The only downside, I really like this set. I've had it for, we're probably going on about a year, but it is a wood handle, so the wood is kind of, it's not quite as soft anymore. If I were to do this again, I would probably try to find either something with metal on the handle or some silicone that goes all the way down. I'll look for some other options too and put them in the description. But overall, I've really liked them. They've held up great. They've stayed looking really nice. It is definitely an affordable set, a little bit on the inexpensive side. So for what I paid, I'd say it's great. And then just goes back here. We cannot forget fridge storage. So we buy quite a few eggs at once because my kids love to eat them. And they're kind of a pain in the butt to store in the fridge like this. So I found this awesome these egg trays that help to store it and have saved space in my fridge. They roll down. This has been so great to just fill up here. So now I got 2 sets of eggs, and this is the best part. They stack on top of each other just like this. So then I can put them in the fridge. It will save space when you need an egg. Just grab it, and it actually has a lid. So then in the fridge, I can store some other items on top. Let me show you how it works in the fridge. Here's how it looks in the fridge, and then I can easily just store some things on top of it. And the other thing that I've loved having in the fridge are these drawers. So I actually got these at Amazon as well. These drawers have been great because they just clip on to the bottom of the shelf. And then you can just pull them out, stick them up on there. It's been great to hold our other little things and keep them organized as well. Here is a little look into our medicine cabinet. This is probably one of my all-time favorite finds for organization. These racks, look how cool that is. So it just comes out and then you can slide it back in. This one does the same thing. It was the perfect way to get all of my medicine organized. I also use this to store the other big items, but I was noticing the smaller medicine was kind of getting lost down in here, and so this has been the perfect way to just have everything organized so everyone knows where it is. And that does it for this week's kitchen organization gadgets. I hope you guys found something that you can use in your kitchen to help get it all cleaned up and organized as well. Come back next week, we'll organize something else. I'm not sure what. Let's see. We got maybe some, I got some car gadgets we could do, some outside things. Some solar lights. I got lots. So we got lots coming. So make sure and subscribe. And for all links, check out the description and we'll see you next week.